Because they're really promoting heavily in America about Australia. I was just curious if Australia was a big promotion for that.
Point.
Yeah, but that's all wild.
Oh, yeah.
Holy smokes! Let's try this one. I have no luck ever on wild Chuco, whatever it is. The worst, horrible lightning link. I don't even know who makes this machine. Should be ashamed of themselves.
Benny, $14 super chat.
Remember what they said in the dollar store?
Benny, $14.99 super chat. I'm gonna meet at 6 o'clock on the mountain.
Remember what they said? The wild Chuco is the same guy as the pirate in Dollar Storm.
Carrie, $2 super chat.
Yeah.
I'd like to donate to help out Australia. Hashtag help.
They have some direct donations you can make online.
Yeah,
So that's nice of you.
very nice of you. Send our thoughts and condolences to everyone in Australia. Hope you guys are safe. Just out of curiosity, I'm just curious, for all our Australian viewers watching, when California had all the fires,
Ooh, come on.
there we go. When California had all the fires, were they promoting in Australia to donate to America for California's wildfires? Because they're really promoting heavily in America about Australia. I was just curious if Australia was a big promotion for that.
Point.
Yeah, but that's all wild.
Oh, yeah.
Holy smokes!
Hold it.
Ooh, let's get the brand right here, bro.
They're all baby coins.
Yeah.
I did some big coins. That's a lot of coin. Holy smokes. I didn't think that could be.
$1.
John, $1 super chat.
Come on. Yes, there you go.
There we go. I'll take that one. Yeah, I was just curious about that in Australia. Oh my god.
Comes.
The brand coming.
That was only the first thing.
Nice. Nice. Everybody says Australia sent firefighters. I'm just curious. With the volume maxed out? That was nice. Pink donated
Coin.
coin.
That was
Wow.
nice.
Oh.
Really.
Yeah, Pink donated 500,000 to the fires. That's great.
Coins. Yeah.
Because we have some friends in Australia that were actually saying that they're disappointed in the Australian government for not helping more and doing more, and they're spending so much money on defense and not on the fires and equipment and helping that stuff. I don't know.
Coins right here.
Wild.
Coin.
Ooh,
Oh. Boom.
what the heck are those?
500. Great.
Yeah.
Bunch of money signs.
That was a nice little start.
Guys, remember, YouTube sponsorship is completely different than Patreon.
3 more. Ah, come on.
All right, come on, Major. Drop.
Ooh, the rocho. Like it says, the government was ignorant about the fire. So where are the fires? Are like in by the sea towns or something? Because like all the pictures of like in the main areas look pretty nice. I had some friends over there right now. It's like some of the pictures look horrible and some like in the where those guys are look pretty nice. But if they're by like the ocean sides and stuff, why wouldn't they just the water from the water or from the oceans?
Coins.
Man. It's all devastating. Hopefully, it will just rain. There we go. Hopefully, we'll get a nice rainstorm and solve it all.
Yeah.
But
If not, we can send BOD over there.
Well, we can't send you. Your smoke thing doesn't help. It just adds more fire.
Send BOD over some
Now
water.
with the kangaroos in your eye.
we have all the kangaroos on. Yeah, that's the thing I really hate to see. I mean, obviously the loss of houses and stuff, but I hate seeing the animals. Yeah, it's the worst. John, $2 super chat. I once open mouth kissed a horse. Well, congratulations, John.
There you go, Mini.
There you go, Mini.
Minor or major right now.
That's impressive. Not everybody could kiss a horse like you, John.
Minor or major.
Come on.
Yes.
There we go.
Save by the bell. Come on. I see the minor.
I do too.
All right, you know what? If I hit the grand on this spin, it's all for Australia. Come on.
Come on, Grand.
I want to. We could have $13,000 to send them right here.
Come on.
All right, do it for Australia. I don't know. We could. Our charity committee should definitely, because we did donate to the California wildfires, so we have a lot of Australian fans and all these games made in Australia. What do you guys think? Of our charity committee? We'll send to Australia. Not bad. 350. Huh?
Last one's 350 too.
Like 350.
Come on, money
All
back.
right. 3 more.
Come on.
Oh my God. Yeah. Well, yeah. 12,000. What a trick. Ooh, there we
Oh,
go.
there's your goal, BOD.
290. Nice. This one's.
Come on.
Ah, man.
Ooh, there you go.
The BB $2 super chat. Golden Jungle Grand. I don't even know what that game is here. Is that game here, Brian? Golden Jungle Grand?
No.
I never even heard of it. Jake, $10 super chat. Raja, when you won your 2 grands, were you betting max bet or a mid-tier bet? I've heard max bets don't hit grands. One was max bet at $8.80 a spin, and one was $15 of $25 possibility on a Locket Link. But I have noticed a lot of times on these machines, just like here, when I max bet it, it does nothing. When I bet in the mid-levels, they have done better for me. So that's why sometimes you see me betting the $15 lately, because they have done better. There is no college research on that, so I can't make a statement if there's percentages. But I do notice that. See? We'll go back to the 1250 and we'll see if it does better. But I also will say, I usually have no luck on this game. So probably my worst luck Lightning Link. Historically. Ooh, those would have been nice.
Full screen of wild Chucos.
Takumi says Donald Trump is watching.
Come on, 2 more.
2 more. Ah. As long as he tweets about us, he can watch. You want to see the chat light up? You want to see Beast? Want to see Mr. Sanders on the Mod Squad work overtime?
Oh, yeah.
All we got to do is say, is Donald Trump going to win in 2020?
Well, since in the U.S. it's illegal to bet on elections, however, in England it is legal. Donald Trump is the front runner, betting-wise, to win the 2020 election, sorry, the 2022 election.
What's the odds on that?
Really? They can bet over it? What are the odds? So what do you...
Hold up right now. It was on the news the other day. It was on like, Patty Pack.
Ooh, there we go.
Oh,
That's got to be good. If guns pay good, it's good. 530.
Nice.
There we go. Take it. Now we need some coin
Now we
bonus.
need the
That 12,500 coin.
Come on, Major.
online sports book.
Yeah. It's not a sport.
Well,
Betting on Trump's a sport now?
he's minus 120.
Wow.
He bet $120 just to win 100 back.
Wow.
However, on December 5th, he was plus 125. Second place is Joe Biden at 5 to 1.
5 to 1.
Third place is Bernie Sanders 7 to 1. Eighth place is Pete Buttigieg at 12 to 1.
Well, hold on a second. Breaking news. Epstein didn't kill himself again. I wonder if that's like a 6-year-old who gets on their mom's YouTube channel or dad's YouTube channel to type that all the time. The BB $2 super chat. Trump 2020.
And Hillary Clinton's 35 to 1. But the thing, at
35 to 1.
when Donald Trump
Ooh.
Oh,
was running
man.
last time, he was 250 to 1. And a few people did take him at $5, $10 bets.
250 to 1.
250.
Oh.
Well, nobody thought he would actually
Yeah.
go through with it. But yeah, he's the front runner minus.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you know what? After he's done, in 2024,
Raja?
Kim Kardashian.
Well, I say after they announced the impeachment, his odds went up from plus 125 to minus 120.
Yeah, they just sealed his deal for winning. That was... No, but watch. 2024, Kim Kardashian will run.
Kanye West.
Kim, can a husband and wife be the president and vice president? I don't know. Kim as president, Kanye as vice president. I can see it. Come on, Chuco.
Something here.
What do you guys think? Wow, last chance spinner. Look at this guy, Ted. You're being foolish if you think Epstein did not kill himself. Grow a pair and speak truth. Wow. We're online slot channel. Who cares what Epstein did? He obviously was a very bad person with little kids, so I don't think it really matters what he did. It's not, I mean, like, I don't know anybody would even talk about it.
If one celebrity could win the presidential election, who would it be? Celebrity.
Kim Kardashian.
I heard The Rock would be the front
Yeah, The
runner
Rock
in
would,
the US.
well, it depends. You'd have to say who's running.
If we said if The Rock was running, he'd be hands down.
Yeah, he's the largest social media of all of them, him and Kim Kardashian.
We see Kevin Hart and The Rock. I'd vote for him.
Come on.
Well, Kevin Hart's no different than Bill Clinton.
How's that?
They both have affairs all day long. Yeah.
I just think this was short to medium.
I've been watching his special. It's actually pretty good on Netflix.
He's a funny guy.
Yeah. The Kevin Hart, don't F this up or screw this up. So, it's pretty good. I've been watching it.
Come on here.
If you had to vote for one celebrity, who would you vote for?
Raja.
Raja. Brian
I didn't say God, I said
Brian
celebrity.
Denver.
Once again, I didn't say God, I said celebrity.
Caveman.
Caveman. He's not a celebrity. He's
Born
a
in
cave.
I want to be.
He's off the grid.
They should put me in the presidential office to help out on gambling issues. We should allow gambling in all 50 states.
What would your first act be to be the president?
Nah,
Marijuana legal, all 50 states?
Yeah.
Probably,
Smoke
yeah.
as much as you want inside
the great smoke
White
out.
House.
There we go, $125.
You'd have actually after school pot program.
Yeah, at the White House. I'll have the whole White House smoked out.
Big shout out to the Mod Squad. They are going crazy in the chat. Big shout out to everybody on the Big Jackpot slot app tonight. You guys are in a competition.
All prizes are paid tomorrow.
Well, you got something to look forward to tomorrow.
What did you think of that game?
It was good. I like the how many bonuses you get. I got a significant bonus.
4 different bonus.
Or did you turn? Yeah, you can like I got bonus. I got bonus.
Well, you guys have been amazing tonight.
The one that had the prize.
Been a great audience. Thank you guys all for tuning in.
Tyler Smith.
Tyler Smith, $5 super chat. Hashtag Raja for president. T for Department of Forestry. And put BOD in charge of the Space Force. We just hit 203,100 subscribers. Welcome all our new subscribers today.
Oh, that are neat.
Yeah.
Come on. Is that this paint? It's like been maxed out for a while now. Come on, Moneybags.
Ray, $2 super chat. That's why it's maxed out. Nobody wins. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching us for our first live stream of 2020.